Hello students, today we are going to solve the linear equation in two variable, exercise number 4.3. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. The first linear equation is x plus y is equals to 4. Now how to solve this question? We will take x equals to 4 minus y, which transpose this y this side, so 4 minus y. Now we will be putting the value of y equals to 1, 2, 3. So to get the value of x. So now we are putting the value of y equals to 1, so we'll put a value here. X equals to 4 minus y, the value of y we have taken is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So now we have one solution, that is 3 comma 1. Now we'll put the value of y equals to 2. So when we put the value of y equals to 2, then we'll get 4 minus 2, that is equals to 2. So now we are getting another solution, that is 2 comma 2. Now we'll take another value, that is put y is equals to 3. So x is equals to 4 minus 3, and that is equals to 1. So now we have three solutions that can be represented in the table form, that is we are representing in tabular form x and y. When we have put the value of y equals to 1, we got x equals to 3. When we put the y equals to 2, we get the value of x equals to 2. When we put the value of y equals to 3, then we get the value of x equals to 1. Now let us plot this point in the graph. Now let us draw the graph of the equation. Now the first point that we have received, the first solution that we have got is 3 comma 1. So this is this point, this is 3. This is 1 here, so this is 3 comma point. This point is 3 comma 1. The second solution that we have got in the graph is 2 comma 2. This is 2, and here also 2. This is 2 comma 2. And the third solution that we have got is 1 comma 3. This is 1 comma 3. This is 1 comma 3. Now when we will join all the 3 points here, then we will get the straight line. And this is the graph of the linear equation. We are getting the straight line here, and this is the graph of the linear equation x plus y is equals to 4. So these are the three solutions we have drawn. This is 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3, and when we join all these 3 points, we will get the graph of the equation x plus y is equals to 4. Now let us solve the second part of it. X minus y is equals to 2. Now what we'll do is, first we'll transpose this minus y to right hand side. So the equation will become x is equals to y plus 2. Now we'll be putting the value of y. So first we'll put the value of y equals to 1. So when we'll put y equals to 1, we'll get x is equals to 1 plus 2, and that is equals to 3. So now we have one solution, that is 3 comma 1. Then we'll put y is equals to 2. Then we'll get the solution, that is x is equals to 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. So another solution is 4 comma 2. Now put y is equals to 3. So we'll get x is equals to 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. So now we have three solutions that we are writing in tabular form. The first solution is, here you can see in the first solution is 3 comma 1. So this is 3, 1. Another solution is 4 comma 2. The third solution is 5 comma 3. Now we will plot this point on the graph. Now let us draw the graph of the linear equation by plotting the points that we have got. 3 comma 1. So the first solution is 3 comma 1. So this is 3 comma 1. So this is 3 comma 1. The second solution that we have received is 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. This is 4 comma 2. This is the second solution, 4 comma 2. Now the third solution that we have got is 5 comma 3. This is 5 comma 3. So this is three solutions that we have received in the equation. Now what we are going to do is, we will join all the 3 points and we'll see that a straight line is formed. We can join this line, and the equation of the line is x is equals x minus y is equals to 2. So the graph of the equation x minus y is equals to 2 is a straight line. Now let us solve the third part of it. Now linear equation two variable is given, y is equals to 3x. So now what we'll do is we'll put x equals to 1 here. So first we'll put x equals to 1. When we'll put x equals to 1, we'll get y is equals to 3 into 1, that is equals to 3. So we have got one solution, that is 1 comma 3. Now we'll take another value, that is put x equals to 2. Then we'll get y is equals to 3 into 2, that is equals to 6. So another solution we have got is 2 comma 6. Then put x is equals to 3. So we'll get another solution, that is y is equals to 3 into 3, and that is equals to 9. So another solution is 3 comma 9. Now let us plot this point on the graph. Now let us draw the graph of the linear equation y is equals to 3x. The first solution that we have received is 1 comma 3. So we'll plot 1 comma 3. This is the point 1 comma 3. Now the second point is 2 comma 6. We'll take, this is 2 comma 6. This is 1 comma 3 point. This is 2 comma 6. And third solution is 3 comma 9. That is x is 3 and y is 9. So this is x3 and here it is 9. So this is 3 comma 9. So now we'll join all the 3 points here, and after joining the points we'll get the linear equation in two variable by joining all the 3 points here. So this is the linear equation in two variable, that is we have drawn the graph of y is equals to 3x. So this is the linear equation we have drawn in the graph. Let us solve the fourth part. 3 is equals to 2x plus y. This can be written in the form 2x plus y is equals to 3, and that also can further be written as y is equals to 3 minus 2x. Now we'll put the value of x is equals to 0. We are putting the value of x equals to 0 here. So we'll get y is equals to 3 minus 2 into 0. 3 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So the first solution that we have got is 0 comma 3. Now put x is equals to 1. So we'll get y is equals to 3 minus 2 into 1. That will get 3 minus 2, and that is equals to 1. So when we have put the value of x equals to 1, we receive the answer y equals to 1. Now put x is equals to 2. So y will be equals to 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 3 minus 4, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So when we are putting the value of x equals to 2, we got y equals to minus 1. Now let us plot this point on the graph. Now let us plot the points on the graph and draw the linear equation. Now the first point that we have received is 0 comma 3. So this point is 0 comma 3. This is 0 comma 3 lies on y-axis, that is 0 comma 3. The second point is 1 comma 1. This is 1 comma 1. This is the second point. Now the third point is 2 comma minus 1. This is 2 comma minus 1. Now this will join all the 3 points to get a graph of the linear equation. Now we are joining these points. So we have joined this point, and this is the graph of the linear equation. The graph of the linear equation 2x plus y is equals to 3. Now let us solve the question number 2 of this exercise 4.3. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Now see, in this question it is given that the line is passing through the point 2 comma 15. 2 comma 14, sorry. So this is x and this is y. So now if we take an equation, let's say first take this equation x plus y. X is 2 and y is 14. So if I add both of them, I will get an equation that is x plus y is equals to 16. So this is one of the equation which is passing through the point 2 comma 14. Now let us take another equation. If I subtract them, so x minus y, so 2 minus 14, that will become minus 12. So these are the two lines, equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma 14. Now another question is asked, how many more such lines are there? There are infinite number of lines. The reason is we can have the infinite number of lines passing through a point. So in this question, the line, the point 2 comma 14. So we can have infinite number of lines passing through the point 2 comma 14. Now let us solve the question number 3 of exercise 4.3. If the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equals to x plus 7, find the value of a. Now the equation is 3y is equals to x plus 7, and what is the solution? 3 comma 4 is the solution. That means this is x and this is y. So we'll put the value of y, that is equals to 4, a x, the value of a is 3 plus 7. So 3 4s are 12. Shift this side, minus 7 is equals to 3a. So 12 minus 7 is 5 is equals to 3a. So a will be equals to 5 upon 3. So the value of a is 5 upon 3. Now let us solve the question number 4 of this exercise. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare be rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Let the distance covered, now let us take the distance covered be x and the total fare be rupees y. Now here the total distance is x. Now in this question it is given that the fare is rupees, for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. That means for the first kilometer, the fare for 1 kilometer it is rupees 8. And now the remaining distance will become how much? The remaining distance will become x minus 1, and for that the fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. So now when we will make the equation, so in this total fare is given as y, and for the first kilometer it is rupees 8, so it is 8 into 1, and for the subsequent distance, now the remaining distance is x minus 1, that is multiplied by 5, so it is 5 into x minus 1. Now let us solve this equation. Now what we'll do is y is equals to 8 into 1 is 8 plus 5 into x, 5x minus 5. Now we'll make it this equation. This will become 5x, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we'll put the value of x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1. So y will be equals to 5 into 1 plus 3, that is equals to 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. Now put x is equals to 2. So y will be equals to 5 into 2 plus 3, that is 10 plus 3 equals to 30. Now we can put x equals to 0 also. So put x equals to 0. So y is equals to 5 into 0 plus 3, that is equals to 0 plus 3, and that is equals to 3 rupees. Now the table will be now the solution, we have taken 3 solution. So now we write in the tabular form x and y. Here in the first case, when we have put the value of x equals to 1, we got y is equals to 8. In the second, when we have put x equals to 2, we got y is equals to 13. And third case, when we have put x equals to 0, we got the value of y equals to 3. Now let us draw the graph of this equation. Now let us draw the graph. These are the solutions: 0, 3, 1, 8, 2, 3. So let us plot the point 0, 3. Now this is 0 and this is 3. So this is 0, 3. Then the second point is 1 comma 8. So this is 1 and this is 8 here. So this is 1 comma 8. Now third point is 2 comma 13. This is 2 here and here 13 is here. So this is 2 comma 13. Now let us join the point to make a straight line. Here we are joining all the 3 points. We have joined the 3 points here, and this is the equation y is equals to 5x plus 3. So this is how we can represent the linear equation.